What's up, guys? Hey, Anthony here at inGear, and today just came off the truck. We got 2 deliveries from Ariel Rider, so we are pumped. In this box, as you may have guessed via the thumbnail, it's a Grizzly. So we're excited to unbox this thing for you and to do some first ride tests. Here we go. Ah! Oh, dang. All right, where's that hammer again? I threw the hammer too soon. Woohoo! And we're in. Woo! Okay, it's not a Grizzly. All right, let's do it. Oh, snap.
Wait just a second.
I know, I was like, wait, let me just make sure. Nah, this is the Grizzly. Do not try this at home. Fragile. Well, it's awesome. It's very heavy. It is way heavier than the other bikes. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun putting it in the truck. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Yes. Handy dandy toolbox. Really uneventful. Let's start to, oh, look what's under here. Oh, look at that shiny new dual suspension, baby. Woo, that is sharp looking. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna love the color, but this is cool. Fender action. I'm gonna keep that on there for right now. Okay, we get there. All right, you see anything else?
I think it needs a wheel.
Yes, it does. All right, so far, you guys, this is awesome. This bike is really cool. I'm gonna be straight up, brutally honest. Online, I was not a fan of the colors at all. I was like, why would they do just black? Why don't they just make a flat black color? Like, I'm just into the flat black or just straight black, masculine colors, no shiny features. But having this in front of you is really awesome. It is way heavier than the rest of their bikes. But the paint, I mean, it's like this sparkly, it's not red. These are all stickers. So these I'm sure we can take off. This is a sticker, this is a sticker you can clearly see. This is like actually in the paint, as are the rest of the decals. So those might be harder to change. But it is way prettier in person than they advertise online. And I don't know if just because there's not enough content out there with people actually having them in person, but I'm pumped to get this thing put all together and go for a ride. Let's see. So 2 separate sets of keys for the bikes, for the bike batteries. So you'll need, yeah, you'll need 2. No wonder the bike is so heavy, because these batteries are a freaking beast. Am I bleeding? See, this is why I was using a hammer to open the staples so that I don't get my hands. Someone was clearly bleeding. Oh, never mind. Nope. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it's gotta be the touch-up paint.
Okay, because I was like, sick. Someone's bled all over our equipment.
The That's interesting, only one charger.
Come on, Ariel Rider. You sent me 2 batteries, but 1 charge. I'm just kidding. I mean, kind of though, but like, it would have been helpful to do like a dual charger to charge both batteries, because then what am I gonna do? Wake up in the middle of the night to swap batteries?
Yeah.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I would have liked to see them have used the same charger, because sometimes chargers burn out. We had one of our Ariel Rider ones burn out while charging another battery. So this would have been nice to integrate the same charger. I like it. Nice. Yeah, so basically one of the first things we're choosing to do is to put the handlebars on, just get them off the ground, get the electronics up off of the ground so it's not sitting on the cement. In order to do that, we took just the Allen key out of our toolkit that was provided, and then we're just gonna pop these on. This is definitely not a cheaply made bike. I mean, this thing is solid. And that's why. All right, let's see here. Probably thinking that it should live like that. Cool. You want to, is there a way you can hand me that piece without? Thank you, sir. All right, we are locked in. Sweet. So I'm going to deploy the kickstand. There we go. All right, almost there. So now, okay, rotation this way. There we go. There we go. Oh, sweet. Very important, so your pedals don't fly off while you're riding. Whoa, LED madness. Ah.
Up the nose.
Nice. Awesome, guys. So we just put this thing together. It took us about 25 minutes with the little cleanup action. Beautifully built bike, very solid, very heavy. We're so excited to go take this out right now. So we just put the batteries in and we're gonna take it for our first spin. So tune into our next video and check it out.